1993.
1993, babalik ka rin po natin. 3 minus. Ano po yung resulta mo? Times 80, 40, 55,
Sige po, gagawin namin ha. Okay, come, dito.
Wait
1993.
So, bali.
9. Okay lang, sorry ah. Joshua, pay attention.
Hindi ko marinig. Cafeteria effect. Cafeteria effect. Sobrang taas.
Meron na answer.
Ilang digits mo?
Lapit mo sa kanya.
9 digits.
9 digits.
Sabihin niyo po 8 digits. Random or missing digits.
Okay, sige. Okay.
10 digits.
1, sandali lang po ha. Check ko lang ha. 1,
1, 8,
8, 1, 1, 8, 2, 5, 5, sandali po ha. 5, okay na? Okay. 6,
7,
sandali. Let's give him time. Okay. 7,
7. Okay na?
1 more.
Yung 6.
6. Nakasan mo ha, answer ha. Ha?
The missing digit is 0.
Yes. Missing digit is 0. Sandali. Wag mo na.
Okay, now this time we're filming the 5th row.
This is the 5th row.
This is the pattern.
Example, 8 times 8 times 8 times 8 times 8 is 8 to the 5th. This is the root. Whatever you have here is this. This should be the answer. Okay. Dito sa
Josh.
Josh. Dito ka. Ang sagot. 4,924,209,200. Tama?
Kabilis naman.
87.
Good
87.
job.
Ano mo yung expression niya?
One more.
Isa pa. Pero mas mahirap yung next, cube root ng millions. Yung mahirap talaga yun. Kahit ako, siya nakaisip ng form ito. Josh, huwag mo na tingnan. So, 1,564,564 69.
Ako man eh.
Okay.
Nabasa pa lang yung number. Basta na.
Good job.
Good job, Joshua.
Boss.
Thank you.
Cube root of millions. 3 digits.
Ready, Josh?
Ito siya. 618,470,208. Dito. 852. Okay, good job.
Good job, Josh.
Ay, wala na. Ulit. Josh, cube root of 461,859,170. Go. Yes.
Is
Okay.
it?
Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you.